What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous Porsche Macan 4 EV in Slate Grey Neo. Of course, this is an electric car and the interior of this car is in black. Let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks, especially with the dark lighting that's happening all over the place. You guys can really admire how the blend is really good, especially when it's a grey car. Then you got all these black finishes here and there. So let's start off with the front. The car looks absolutely amazing. From the front, lights. These are your main DRL lights that actually go right there. As you can see later, I'll turn them on to show it to you guys. For the bottom piece right here, you got some airflow happening right down there, hiding inside. So your main headlights are located right here. Right underneath here, you got some air intake happening for the air to flow through. You got your sensor for your LiDAR or some sort of ADAS sensor happening right there. You got your number plate that goes right here as well. So down here, you got this satin finish of a beautiful texture, and also got this matte finish on the side that goes across the whole car. For the front hood, you got these amazing lines that are happening across the whole front bonnet. You got your badging right here, looks absolutely stunning. And check out the wheels, man, dude. So you have your Bridgestone tires. You got the silver finish of a wheel together with some black finishes. Solid disc brakes on the inside. Tire size for this Bridgestone tire is 255/45R 21-inch. They're using the Potenza Sport. Love the wheel arch with the lines that goes across from left to right. Gorgeous finish. Got your electric wording right there for the side. It's amazing. And also for the side, as I mentioned, carry on from there all the way to the back together with this black finish. So the grey and the black and the grey and the black again. So it looks really good. For the side mirrors, as you can see, two-tone once again. Satin, sort of like matte finish, rough finish down here. Got your paint right there. Door handles right here. Let's open it up. You also get the chrome finishing for the whole side. So some cars you find them in black. So this version right here is in chrome. So very nice mix. Frameless doors once again. Looks really good. So the black interior, very straightforward. Bose sound system. You got your compartment storage down there. You have your handles to open up the doors, and right here is the handle. That's the handle to pull to close the door. Wipe window up and down. Memory seats are located right there as well. So it looks pretty cool. You got your Macan 4 wording right there. Very nice. Seat adjustments are over here. Black interior looks fantastic. Love the Porsche logo right there. So let's hop right in. Interior is pretty straightforward. I think everybody understands how a black interior looks like. So you got your screen located all the way here. You got your clock located right there. Looks very cool. Very clean setup for the center. Steering wheel is in black. And of course I'm wearing black as well with blue. So yep, interior is very dark and nice. And of course you get a nice seat belt to contrast the whole thing that's happening here. So very cool, man, dude. Love it. So move to the back. Check it out. So this over here is a shade. You can see my other video, the shade is actually up. So in this case, it's actually down. That's your window, frameless windows as well. Opening up of the doors are right here. Sound system, Bose. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. Compartment storage in the inside. A place to sit down on the inside. Plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom. Seat belts are beautifully done here in this grey/white finish, I believe. So legroom is good, headroom is fantastic. So this is me sitting once again left side. Climate control adjustments, your air vent adjustments. So center's view, beautiful looking car. Down here, see if I can push this down. Sup. Okay, cup holders you got 2, and yep, good. Seat belts once again in white. So let's move right to the center. Take a look. Headroom, fabric, finish, looks good. You got your leather handles right here to hold. Very nice indeed. So let's open up the doors. Let's get right down. And let's go to the rear wheels, which I forgot to show it to you guys. But yeah, Bridgestone tires is what they're using. So once again, you have your Potenza Sport for the model of the tire. Tire size is over here 295/40R 21. So that's what it says. Solid disc brakes for the rear. These are your wheel designs that you get together with the wheel arch in this matte sort of finish. Charging cap is right over here as well. Check out the rear, beautiful looking finish. So in this case, the Macan 4 wording is in a bright finish. The other one was in a dark finish. So you got your Porsche wording right there. This one opens up as well. Amazing black finish for the lights. Rear diffuser looks absolutely nice as well. Gorgeous finish. So let's open up the boot. There's a button right here. Press on that and you guys are able to locate the boot space. Looks fantastic. Once again, subwoofer located right here for the Bose. Pull this, seat folds down, pull that. Okay, I believe it's already pulled, but not fully down. Okay, cool. So there we go. Compartment storage is fantastic and looking really good as well, guys. Amazing appearance, plenty of space. Compartment storage, very cool indeed. So yeah, let's move to the driver's seat. Take a look. Doors are open. Let's jump right in. Once again, driver's side of the door. Black interior finish, so your handle is right here. You got your lighting right there. Window adjustments over here. Compartment storage down there. Bose sound system over there. Handle to open up the door over here, together with your memory seats and your unlock and lock. So brake pedal, accelerator pedal, Porsche wording on the carpet, Macan 4 wording right there. You got your seat adjustments over here. Black interior, love the seat design and shape. Take a look at the center. I mean, sitting right here looks good. Let's lower down the volume for this. And yeah, check out the screen. Of course, the screen is not in blue because this is a brand new car, so the plastic is right here, so that one you can remove it. The start button is located right there. You have your lighting over here. Drive mode on this side. You have your wiper adjustments over here, signal adjustments over here. You got your cruise control speed over here. Love the Porsche badging right there on the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks super clean. Love the spacing that you guys get. Can you see my hands right at the back there? So it looks really good. Screen setup is fantastic. Compartment storage down here. I believe this is, yep, can even store some stuff happening right there as well. And 2 cup holders, place to keep your key. Love the design, very clean, very nice. Underneath here, extra compartment storage. Looks really good, man, dude. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Nice. So let's get right down and show you guys the front hood. Press that and the front hood opens up. This is your mirror, by the way. Looks really cool. Amazing looking storage place that you guys are getting. Plenty of storage compartment. I believe this one, maybe they checked on the battery, so they have not put it back yet, but not to worry, there's a cover, a proper cover for this. You got your first aid kit over here, warning triangle. You got your windshield washer on this side. Car looks very clean and the storage is fantastic, even for the front. So let's pull it back down and take a look for the front. Let's turn on the lights, guys, because I believe everybody needs to see how amazing the lights actually look. So press on this, then your daytime running lights are already on. So DRL is what they call it. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing finish for front. Take a nice cover photo for the front. Fantastic, guys. Beautiful. So let's see. Amazing looking lights for the front. What about this side from this angle? Looks very sleek and very nice. How about the back? What's happening at the rear, guys? Damn. You got the black finish right here. Brake lights right there. Close the boot. Take a look at what we are seeing here. Love the Porsche wording right there as well. Fantastic beast of a car. Looks absolutely gorgeous and stunning. You get your storage space. Looks fantastic. Driver looks really good also as well. Sitting here in a place like this looks fantastic, man, dude. Absolutely gorgeous. What about the signal lights? Let's see how the hazard lights look like. So for the side mirrors, you will get the turn indicator right there. Looks nice. For the front lights, as you can see, the DRLs still remain, but the bottom piece now lights up as a signal, the turn indicator. So it does look good. And what about the rear? And yes, of course, it does come with a railing on top for this car. As you can see, silver railing with a grey body color, looks kind of cool. For the back, you get these. Looks really cool indeed. Amazing. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Porsche cars, do head down to their showroom here in Arada Mansara. You can look at many other different models, many other different colors that you guys are able to see. Or the pre-owned section is located right up there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.